Hello everyone, and today's video is a very important video, and we are going to study an important topic, that is we are going to study about update command in SQL. So if you remember guys, the update command is a DML command, that is it is a data manipulation language. It comes under DML category. So what is the purpose of update command is that it is the statement used to modify the existing records in a table. So we create the table and we insert the records in the table using insert into, isn't it? Using insert into we insert the values or records. Now if we want to update those values, we can make use of update command in SQL. So the general format of update command is update space table name space set space column 1 equal to value 1 comma column 2 equal to value 2 comma etc. up to where condition. So what we mean is that in a table, suppose we are having 5 records and we want to update the value of one student, then in such case we can specify that column, and whatever the value should be updated, it should be mentioned, and then give the condition where the updation should be done. For example, suppose we are having a student Sona and we want to update her name as Sona S and her roll number is 23. So we know her roll number and we want to change her name to Sona S. Then the command would be update student set name equal to Sona S where roll number equal to 23 and put semicolon. So her name will be changed to Sona S. So as you can see here, the where clause, we have previously studied what is where clause and why it is used. So the where clause is used when we want to specify the condition. So what will happen if we don't write where clause? So when we update something, if we don't include the where clause, all the records will be updated. So there is a loss of data or there will be some information will be changed. So very carefully we have to use the where clause. So please remember, when you are updating something, please do give the where clause. And you can also omit the where clause whenever you want to update for all the records. Suppose there is an employee table and everyone's salary should be increased by 1000. In such cases, no need to include the condition, isn't it, where condition is not needed. But in many of the situations, where clause is must. Now, after updating the value, in some cases we want to delete a record. Suppose in the student table one student is dropping from that college, then we don't need his details anymore in the table. So to delete the existing record in a table, we can use the command delete from, and the syntax will be delete from table name where condition. For example, suppose the roll number 15 is dropped out from the college. So to delete his details only, we can write as delete from student where roll number equal to 15. So let's see the practical of this. So this is our table student and we have 6 columns: roll number, name, gender, department, marks and grade. Now in this table I want to update the marks of roll number 1. Suppose my marks I have to update into 55. So how can I update that? Write like update student, set marks equal to 55 where roll number equal to 1. Yes. Now if I am trying to display the table, you can see the marks of the roll number 1 student, which was 54, has been updated to 55. Now similarly I can set the values for grade in roll number. I can give the values for the grade like update student set grade equal to B where now as you can see, for example here I want to update the grade. So those who got above 55 I want to give as those who got above 60 I want to give as B plus, and those who got less than 60 I want to give as B. So I can give like where marks less than 60 and this yes. Now for those students where marks is greater than 60 I want to give as B plus. So I'm giving like this. Now if you display the table, you can see the grade has been updated. You can individually update the grade also. Okay. And now the second thing, that is deleting a record. Suppose the last student, roll number 5 Sana, if she is dropping out from the college and I want to delete that record from the table, I can just write like update, sorry, not update, it is delete from student where roll number equal to 5. And if you display the table, you can see there are only 4 records now, isn't it? The 5th one, her details are deleted. So please be careful with the where condition. If I don't write like where roll number equal to 5 and just write like delete from student, every records will be deleted. So we will lose the information. So to avoid such kind of scenarios, you must use the where conditions. So this is all about today's video. We have seen update and delete. In the next upcoming videos, we will be studying the aggregate functions and the constraints. So till then, thank you and bye bye.